fresh air at last. How about some coffee?
Yes, let's go. I need caffeine badly. I barely slept last night.
What's wrong? You look worried. Wait, I don't have my wallet. I left it on my desk.
You don't have your wallet? After we walked all this way?
I forgot my wallet in the dorm. I was rushing to meet you.
You forgot it inside? We're already halfway to the cafe.
Yes, no wallet, no cash, no coffee. Simple math.
You're saying no wallet today? That ruins everything.
No wallet today. But it's not the end of the world.
Want to go back and get it? It's only a 10-minute walk.
We're already outside. Too late now. We'd miss the morning rush.
Then today will be a challenge. What do you mean by challenge?
A challenge is something difficult, but we try to do it. Like a hard task that tests us.
So a challenge means a hard thing to try, like surviving without money?
Yes, and today is our challenge. No cash, no stress.
How can we survive without cash? I don't even have coins for a vending machine.
Survive just means keep going, continue, not die. Just live one day with no money. Simple.
So survive means just continue, not die. I get it, but this is going to be tough.
A day without cash. This is going to be interesting. Trust me, I've done it before.
Don't worry. Easy for you to say. I'm already panicking about lunch.
I have another way. Another way to get coffee. You'll find out at the coffee shop.
Quick quiz. Earlier you said, let's see if we can survive without cash. What does survive without cash mean?
A. Live one day with no money. B. Eat money. C. Sleep with money. D. Run away from money.
The correct answer is A. Live one day with no money.
Good. Now, this is the end. No wallet, no cash, no coffee. But watch me.
Watch you? You have money hidden somewhere?
No, not cash. I'll use points. My loyalty points from last month.
Points? What do you mean points? Is that real money?
Every time you buy coffee here, you collect points on the app. After 10 cups, you get one free. No cash needed.
So points are like free money from the shop, rewards for being a regular customer.
Exactly. Points are rewards. You don't pay cash, you use points. It's invisible money.
So I can say, can I use my points to pay for a coffee? Like that?
Perfect. That's the exact question. Can I use my points to pay for a coffee?
And when they say yes, you add, I'll have a latte, please. Simple.
Hey, this works. See? Surviving without cash is possible. We just did it.
Wait, so survive here means keep going, continue, right? No giving up.
Yes, we can keep going even without cash. Free coffee feels even better when you earn it.
Not free. Remember, it's your points. You paid for those coffees before.
Invisible money. I like that phrase. It's money you don't see, but it's there.
Quick quiz. In the coffee shop, you used points. What are points?
A. Free money from the shop. B. Small stars in the sky. C. A ball game. D. Something you eat.
The correct answer is A. Free money from the shop. But it's not really free, right?
Technically, you earned it. But today, it saves us. Now, don't relax yet. Listen carefully.
What sound? Music? Oh, street music. Over there.
Yes! Look, 2 guitar players and a man with a drum. They sound really good. No cover charge.
And the kids are dancing too. Everyone's smiling. It's so lively.
Exactly. A free concert. Front row seats, $0. No tickets, no hassle.
Front row seats, $0. Yes, you don't pay. You just enjoy the moment.
So, I can say front row seats, $0 when something is free and accessible.
Perfect. Front row seats, $0. Nice phrase. And here's another fun one you mentioned.
Zero cash, zero guilt. Repeat after me. Zero cash, zero guilt.
Zero cash, zero guilt. What does it mean exactly?
It means no money, no problem. No stress about spending. For example, when you try free food samples in the supermarket, zero cash, zero guilt. You enjoy without worry.
So, zero cash, zero guilt means enjoy for free, no stress. Like this music right now.
Exactly. Coffee from Points, free music, happy kids dancing. Zero cash, zero guilt. Perfect summary of our morning.
Quick quiz. You said zero cash, zero guilt. What does this mean?
A. Enjoy something for free, no problem. B. Feel bad without money. C. Hide money from friends. D. Run away from the shop.
The correct answer is A. Enjoy something for free, no problem. This is fun. I feel less stressed now.
That music was fun. Now, let's go to an open house. I saw a sign down the street.
Open house? You mean we can just walk in? No appointment?
Yes, it's free. You only sign your name at the entrance. No payment, no obligation.
Do I need to pay anything? Like for the tour?
No, it's free. You just write your name and email. They want potential buyers.
So I can say, do I need to pay? And the answer is no, it's free. Got it.
Now, let's go inside. Wow, this living room is huge. Pretend it's your house. Say it aloud.
This is my living room. I'd put a big sofa here and a TV there.
Nice. Now, look at the window. The view is amazing. Mountains and trees.
I can see the trees and the garden below, so I can say the view is beautiful.
Exactly. And this kitchen? It's so big and shiny. Say it.
The kitchen is modern and clean. I love the stainless steel appliances.
I like this. See, open houses are free lessons for English, too. Describing spaces helps vocabulary.
Zero cash, zero guilt, and a big kitchen. I could live here.
Quick quiz. What is an open house?
A. A free visit to see a house or apartment inside. B. A shop that never closes. C. A hotel with many rooms. D. A garden with no doors.
The correct answer is A. A free visit to see a house or apartment inside. No strings attached.
All this walking makes me hungry. I need real food now.
Perfect timing. Let's try McDonald's. They have a point system, too.
McDonald's? But I still have no cash, and I don't have their app.
Don't worry. I have the app on my phone. Every time you buy food with their app, you collect points. Later, you can use them for a full meal. No cash needed.
Points again? How does that work exactly?
You scan a QR code at checkout. Points add up fast. After 500 points, you get a free combo.
So I can say, can I use my points for a meal at the counter?
Exactly. That's the key question. Can I use my points for a meal?
And when they say yes, you add, I'd like a combo, please. Standard order.
Easy. But careful. My points are low. Maybe only a small combo.
Then I can say, I'd like a small combo, please, to be safe.
Excellent. You just saved lunch. No cash spent.
Wow. Points coffee, points lunch. This invisible money is powerful.
Yes, invisible money again. I like invisible money. Zero cash, zero guilt. But remember tomorrow, always check your pockets before leaving.
Quick quiz. How can you get points at McDonald's?
A. Use the app. B. Wait in line. C. Say points. D. Bring food.
The correct answer is A. Use the app. It's all digital now.
Lunch was a success. Now, let's go to IKEA. It's nearby.
IKEA? But I have no cash and no points there.
Don't worry, we are not buying anything. Just looking. Window shopping only.
Just looking? But everything looks so tempting.
Yes, say we can't buy anything. We are just looking. Practice the phrase.
We can't buy anything. We're just looking. Perfect. That's how you explain window shopping politely.
Window shopping. What does that mean to you?
It means looking at things but not buying, like browsing without commitment.
Exactly. This sofa is comfortable. Can I say, this is my sofa? Pretend.
Yes, pretend it's yours. Free imagination costs nothing. Okay, this is my sofa. I'd put it by the window.
Zero cash, zero guilt. Good. IKEA is the best for that. Relaxing after lunch.
But if I really want to buy something, then you need your wallet, right? Like last time I bought a lamp.
I forgot my wallet again today. Exactly. Today it's all just looking. No purchases.
Quick quiz. What does window shopping mean?
A. Just looking, not buying. B. Cleaning windows. C. Buying many things. D. Sleeping in a shop.
The correct answer is A. Just looking, not buying. It's a good habit to avoid impulse buys.
Finally, the park. What a long day. Sit on this bench.
Yes, and we did it. A whole day without cash. From coffee to now.
True, it was possible, but was it comfortable? Honestly?
No, it wasn't comfortable, but it was funny and creative. We had points coffee, points lunch, free music, an open house tour, and IKEA window shopping.
Right. Coffee, music, house, food, furniture, all without cash. You adapted well.
So you're saying points saved the day. They were our lifeline.
Exactly. Points saved the day. But remember, it wasn't really free, right? Invisible money from past payments.
Still, it felt like magic today. Zero cash, zero guilt. At least for one day.
One day was fun, but tomorrow I want my wallet back. Normal life resumes.
Good idea. A day without cash was enough. Lesson learned. Always check my pockets before leaving home.
Exactly. Check pockets, check bag, check keys. Triple check.
This experience taught me alternatives. No cash doesn't mean no fun.
True. Many things are free. Parks, libraries, community events. Money isn't everything.
But for coffee, I still prefer paying cash. Points are backup.
Backup plans are smart. Like having a spare key.
The street musicians today, what genre was that? Sounded like folk.
Yes, acoustic folk. The drummer used buckets. Creative and free entertainment.
I recorded a short video, shared it online, spread the joy.
Nice. Sharing free moments connects people. Zero cash, zero guilt applies there too.
Open houses. Do they happen often? I might visit more.
Yes, weekends mostly. Great for dreaming and English practice. Describing rooms builds vocabulary.
I'll remember the view is beautiful for next time. Useful phrase.
And the kitchen is modern and clean is versatile for houses or apartments.
McDonald's app. I'll download it tonight. Start collecting points.
Good plan. Small combos add up. Lunch security.
IKEA sofas. So comfortable. I almost fell asleep there.
That's their strategy. Make you stay longer. Window shopping therapy.
Therapy without cost. Zero cash, zero guilt indeed.
What about tomorrow? Any plans that need cash?
Just work. But I'll carry wallet, phone, and charger. Full kit.
Charger is essential. Phones die fast. No app, no points.
True. Today relied on technology. What if my phone died?
Backup. Find free public Wi-Fi spots. Libraries have them. Or ask nicely.
Asking nicely works? Like for coffee?
Not for free coffee, but for water or directions. Kindness opens doors.
This challenge changed my perspective. Money isn't always needed for happiness.
Exactly. Simple joys matter. Music, nature, imagination.
But I still like my latte with cash. Tradition has value.
Balance is key. Use cash when possible. Points when needed.
How did you learn all this? From experience?
Yes. Forgot wallet twice last year. Learn to adapt. Now I have app backups.
Share tips. Others might need them.
That's why we talk. Learning together.
Quick quiz recap. Survive without cash. A. Live one day with no money.
Points. A. Free money from the shop.
0 cash, 0 guilt. A. Enjoy something for free, no problem.
Open house. A. Free visit to see a house.
McDonald's points. A. Use the app.
Window shopping. A. Just looking, not buying. All correct.
This was educational, more than just coffee.
Life lessons with language. Real-world English.
Can we do this again, maybe with different challenges?
Next time, try a day with only coins or barter system, but bring wallet as backup.
Deal. But first, tomorrow I'm buying you coffee with cash.
Fair. Cash coffee tastes better sometimes.
Park bench is comfortable, better than IKEA sofa.
Almost, but free. 0 cash, 0 guilt.
Sunset view here is beautiful too, like the open house window.
Yes, nature's free show. No points needed.
Today's phrase, life is rich without cash.
Nice. I'll remember that. Rich in experiences.
Final thought, always have a plan B, like points or free activities.
Plan B saves stress and builds resilience.
I feel accomplished, survived day 1.
You did great. Language and life skills improved.
Thank you for guiding me. This was fun.
My pleasure. Learning is better together.
Tomorrow, wallet in pocket. Promise.
Good, but keep the phrases. 0 cash, 0 guilt for free joys.
Will do. Now, walk back or stay for stars?
Walk back. Early night. Prepare for cash-filled tomorrow.
Ready. One last time. 0 cash, 0 guilt.
Perfect. See you tomorrow, wallet and all.
Bye, Ashley. Thanks for the adventure.
Bye, Ben. Remember, check pockets.